a skit on Karate Kitten.
Here I want a pet because I am alone at home. I am busy now. Right now I will bring it later. Bye, Rohit. Bye, Nana. I should get a pet on my own. Rohit, let's go to the pet shop. Okay, Amma, let's go. Welcome, madam. Do you have pets? Yes, we have parrots, squirrels, and white smooth fun healthy kitten. What pet do you want? I want a special kitten. It should give lot of entertainment. Then take a kitten. Buy a kitten. It is a special kitten. What special? It is a karate kitten. It's trained in Japan, madam. Karate. Yes, madam. Look, kitten. Karate the chair. Wow! What a wonderful kitten. Amma, I want this kitten. Okay, Rohit. How much is it? It is just 1,000 rupees, madam. Here it is. Here you are. Here you are. Take care of it. Thank you, madam. Okay. Rohit, bring the useless articles. Rohit, bring the box. Rohit, bring the crockery. Kitten, karate the crockery. Kitten, karate the box. Kitten, karate the useless articles. Amma, I want karate kitten jumps here and there, beating things everywhere. Karate kitten bounce here and there, crushing things everywhere. Karate kitten stands. Karate kitten hops here and there, crushing things everywhere. Karate kitten stands here and there, smashing things everywhere. Amma, I am so excited to tell about the kitten to father. Okay, Rohit. What's going on here? Karate practice, Nana. Karate practice. Who is your karate master? Dear, this is our